Let me show you how I make my high protein, low calorie afternoon snack using jelly and yogurt. Today I'm going to show you how I make my high protein yogurt and sugar-free jelly mousse. Simple, 2 ingredient, and it works. So if you're trying to lose weight, maintain weight, or just stop afternoon cravings, this is very powerful. I'm going to use low sugar aeroplane jelly. There are 2 sachets inside, so I emptied them both into a measuring jug here. Then I add 1 cup of boiling hot water from the kettle. That hot water will dissolve all those crystals, so it won't leave any little lumps. Now we use a whisk for a reason, and I'll show you why later when we add the yogurt. And once those crystals are fully dissolved, I then just add a cup of cold water, and now we let this cool. So what happens next is what makes this high protein and budget friendly. Now this tub here cost me $14, right? It's 2 kilograms of Greek style high protein yogurt. What we're going to do is I've got to grab half of this because there's 2 kilos in it, and we're going to weigh it up and put a kilo into this old tub that I finished yesterday. That's 1 big spoon. 2 big spoons, 3 big spoons, all getting stuck, 4 big spoons. Oh shit. Oh no, we're nearly there. Another 300 more. Is that it? Another 100. Another 100. Another 100. Alrighty, another 50. I think that's close enough. 988. Now what I'm going to do to measure this, I've got half a litre of jelly in there. It's still in liquid form. Slightly warm, but it's not going to make a difference because I've let it cool down for the last, 2 hours. We're going to pour it in, half into this tub, the other half into here, and we're going to end up making 2 kilos plus another 500 ml of liquid, as is approximately half a kilo. So we'll end up with 2.5 kilos of mousse. So I just got to measure that, 250 ml. That's 1 tub. Now the other tub, the rest of the mixture goes in this one. And then we whisk. And that's what it looks like. So just got to whisk it. And that's why I use a whisk, so that it'll slowly blend. I'm going to blend that in. Now it's time to let them set. We'll put the lids on. Now if you're still watching and you've come this far, make sure you let me know in the comments if you would ever try this. Now we're just going to put these 2 tubs into the fridge, and this is where the magic happens. And by the way, don't forget to give us a like. Well, it's time to have an afternoon snack. Now it's been 4 hours in the fridge. Let's open it up and have a look. It's not as thick as it should be. It just needs a little bit more time. So if you're trying to lose weight, protein's your best friend. Protein keeps you full, it helps preserve muscle, and it makes staying in a calorie deficit easier. So when people fail their diets, it's because they feel hungry, and this stops that. Weight loss, it's not magic. It's calories in versus calories out. So if you can find foods that are high in protein and low in calories, you can eat more volume without breaking the deficit. So 1 serving of this is 250 grams for me. That'll give me 21 grams of protein and 170 calories. That's extremely efficient. Now you want to know how much it cost me? This whole tub cost $14. The jelly cost me $2.80. That's a total of $16.80. Now we ended up with 2 tubs. So that's $16.80 for 2 tubs. So I made 10 servings, so that's $1.68 per serving. 21 grams of protein for $1.68. So at the moment, by using this diet, I've got my weight down to 89 kilos. I've only been having that 1 big meal a day and then an afternoon snack. That stops me reaching out for any junk. And that's what's going to make the difference long term. So next time somebody says dessert is the problem, it's not dessert. Just tell them they don't know how to build it properly. Tell them to watch my video. Share this video to them. Actually, while we're on the subject, if you've made it this far, subscribe. And while you're there too, let me know what flavour of jelly you're going to try.